everyone, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica, and I have another card tutorial for you today. Now this technique, I fell in love with Lisa's Stamp Studio and her paper crafting ideas. Lisa, shout out to you. Top fold card. Look at this, isn't this neat? There's so many different layers and textures in here. I have a little guest here. He's my little studio assistant today. Let's make some cards. Oh, by the way, I'm using my Crafty Chica papers. These are on hsn.com, a special exclusive collection that I designed for HSN. I'll have the link below in the description. This is a great project because you probably have all of the supplies, some scrapbook paper, some cards, some different types of solid paper, some embellishments, your glue, and washi tape. Oh, and glittered cardstock. That always comes in handy. So what I did was I have a basic A4 size card, and I cut some other colored cardstock in a contrasting color to put inside and outside. Just for me, I love lots of colors, so I try to mix up as much as I can. And I'm using one of my Crafty Chica pieces of scrapbook paper to cut the piece that's going to go on the inside of the card, and it's going to fold out onto the front of the card. So you can decide the sizing for this. I went halfway on both, and then I took a piece of glittered cardstock and put that at the bottom, and then I decided to add some more pieces, and then I decided to add washi tape. So just kind of play with it. Look at all of your supplies and see how you can mix and match all of them. This card is super fun because there's so many different pieces to look at, different eye candy pieces. So I put my embellishment on the front, and I used some dimensional dots to make that pop out a little bit. And on the inside, I wanted to put a little area to be able to stamp or write a sentiment. So I took another piece of cardstock and I glued that inside, and now it looks done. Here are some other cards that I made. They fit inside the envelope, and they're going to be super fun for the recipient to open them and try them out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more ideas, visit craftychica.com.